How to change name on Zara. So let's jump right in. First, open the Zara app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are in the home page, tap onto the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you will be able to see profile option. Tap on it. Tap onto the address to change your names or any other detail. Now, click onto the three dots and tap Edit. Here, you will see fields for first name and last name. Edit your name as needed. Then scroll down and tap Save or Update. If the name field is grayed out or locked, that may be due to a connected order history or account reason setting. In that case, contact Zara customer service for help. And that's how you change your name on Zara. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.